Hello crafties! I'm Sandra from Wallifyer, and today I'm going to show you a short little trick how to hold your pencil when you draw so you don't make those harsh lines. I got some messages from crafties asking me how I got the shading so perfectly and so soft, and this is the trick. This tutorial is very short, so I hope you get a grasp of what I'm talking about. I have quite a pressured schedule today because I soon have the fall launch. So I try to to make some videos in between because it's so fun. And if you like this video and if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I love to see you here on my channel. Hello crafties, this is Sandra from Wallifyer, and I'm here to help you learn how to draw some cute doodle art. I got some very fun and interesting questions about how you should hold your pencil. For me it's so natural, I didn't even think about it. But when I got this question, I really thought, oh, this is something I really have to make a short video about, because it's not something you're just born with knowing. So I will show you. This is a very short tutorial and I just show you the basics. So there are many more ways to hold your pencil and work with a drawing, but I will show you the most important ones used in our tutorials here on Wallifyer. And we start out by taking a look at the ordinary graphic pen or graphite pencil. And if you draw a sketch and get very hard lines in the paper, it's very hard for you to remove those lines because the pencil will make a dent in the paper. If you hold the pencil very hard like this, which is very normal for a beginner, the result will end in this. You see, the lines are very controlled and it's not fluent and not sketchy at all. You can see the line is very forced. And look now what's happened when I try to erase this one. My magic eraser that I brag about just doesn't work. So instead of holding your pencil too hard and make a pressure when you draw, I recommend you in the beginning, when you're not used to holding a pen or sketching, that you choose this grip. You take the pencil from above and like a pointer, like a wand, like you want to splash some watercolor on the paper, just like that. If you're used to it, I'm holding my thumb and my middle finger, and then I control the fine details with the tip of my pointer. So now it's much easier to get a sketchy loose line, and it's very hard to press on the paper when you hold the pen like this. This way is also recommended when you coloring with your color pencils, because if you hold the pencil like this, the way, it's very easy to press the color pencil too hard, and it's impossible to blend this. You see, this is not a good outcome. So instead, again, grab the pencil from above, hold it very loosely, and put your finger on top of the color pencil, and then very lightly color the surface you want to color. Now it's much more easy to blend the colors. When you get more used to drawing and you have practiced a little bit more, you'll be able to hold the pencil like this, like I do in my tutorials, and create this soft coloring surface. But in the beginning it can be very hard and frustrating, and I should have recognized that and told you this in the beginning, so I'm sorry. But please start practice like this. Hold the pencil from above, put your point finger, or I don't know what it's called, and just lightly with the side of the pencil, not like this, with the side of the pencil you color the shape. Okay, crafties, now I hope you understand how to hold the pencil. And if you have any problems, please let me know, and I'm here to help you. And maybe I can do a more in-depth video for you if this was not satisfactory for you. Please remember to subscribe to my newsletter. You find the link below in the description, and you'll know all about my upcoming premium courses where I teach some doodle art and some cross medium and some mixed media doodle art if you want to indulge in more advanced doodle drawing. So I hope to see you there. See you soon, crafties. Bye bye.